Kasi kayo ni Michael, as far as I know, nagsama kayo for a while sa yung Abot Kamay, yeah. So parang tapos ito pinag-pair ulit kayo ng GMA. So siguro nakita nila yung yung chemistry nyo na meron, ganyan. So open ka na ba doon and welcome na sa'yo yung if ever i-pair talaga kayo, i-push kayo as love team?
Ako po kasi tingin ko po sa 15 years ko na rin sa industry, I think it's time na rin po na magkaroon ako ng leading man din talaga. Ma-explore ko po yung kumbaga, pagiging leading lady na, grabe ako, nagulat ako, may asawa po ako dito sa show na to. So sabi ko, grabe, ibang-iba po siya for me. And I think po na, para sa akin kasi excited po ako na mag-grow pa. So ito po yung na-enjoy ko talaga, yung ganitong klaseng experience. And kung ano man po bibigay sa akin ng GMA, I will do my best kasi sobrang grateful ko po sa GMA and Sparkle sa mga binibigay nila sa akin. Kumbaga, kung ano po yung ibibigay nila sa akin, yun po yung pinagkatiwala nila sa akin. So, I'll just do my best.
Okay. Sabi mo kanina, may as Ilonggo, parang ang sarap ma-in-love. Parang tama ba yung pagkakarinig ko?
Sabi ko po, nung nag-taping kami sa Iloilo, na-realize ko na masarap pala ma-in-love.
Ayun nga. So, in-love ba si Jillian ngayon?
Kumbaga, ang natutunan ko sa Iloilo. Ay, masarap pa in love. Pero, hindi ko na po sasabihin, anong way? Pwede naman, na-in-love ako sa Iloilo. Or, na-in-love ako sa pagkain doon. Sa Batchoy. Ganyan talaga. Yun, abangan na lang po ninyo yan. I mean, ako po open naman ako sa inyo. Simula baby po ako. So, abangan po ninyo kung anong klase nga. Pagkain lang po yan. I-share ko soon.
Okay, sige na nga. Kaya na lang. Kaya na lang, Ayan. Last na kay Michael. Last na kay Michael. So, syempre, sobrang bongga mo. Kasi mag-e-end pa lang ang Shining. Tapos, eto na may kasunod na kaagad. Gusto ko lang malaman, kumusta yung naging impact sa'yo ng Shining bilang leading man? Ano yung naging pagbabago? Ano yung mga na-observe mo? Like sa'yo, bilang isang Kapuso star or leading man per se.
Thank you po. Shining Inheritance was one of the biggest projects I've had. And yung role ko po doon bilang Yuan was it was lots of pressure nung una, as I mentioned po sa video ko namin last time. Kasi yung mga kasama ko doon were the greats na talaga in the industry. My lola was Tita Connie Reyes, tapos kapartner ko Kate Valdez. Kapatid ko, Kylene Alcantara, and the rest of the cast pa si Paul. So, marami po akong natutunan. I think that show for me, that first show was really the learning process in my career. And still now, I'm still learning. And that's where I realized how far I have to go in this industry para to reach my goals. And Shining Inheritance for me was a big step kasi po heavy drama siya, family drama. And doon ko na-realize na kailangan talagang seryosohin itong craft na to. And masaya po ako that I got to work with Tita Connie because we developed a relationship as Lola in real life. Actually, till this day, we still text each other and I even text her about my Ilonggo girl. Sabi ko, Lola, pagdasal niyo po ako. And ang dami niyang advice na binigay sa akin. One of the advices that I really cherish that she gave me that I now use in this career is she always told me to have integrity. Kasi importante yan sa career natin, where we're in this limelight. It's important that what we show to the people is genuine and it's positive and it will impact the lives of other people. And siguro po, dinala ko lang yan dito sa show na to, with my scenes with Jill, my scenes with my family and my castmates. I wanted to make it as natural, as genuine as possible, and so far so good. We're very happy on set. We're enjoying things, and in terms of acting naman po, I learned many things from Shining. Sa mga emotional scenes ko doon, nahirapan ako and I was open to direct, and the prod po na pagdating sa vulnerability, naka-challenge talaga sa akin. But luckily, ginagabayan po nila ako, and yung challenge na yun is very, for me, I find it good because at least I know that when I'm outside of my comfort zone, at least I'm improving somehow.
Okay, yung in terms of popularity, naramdaman mo ba na mas lumawak siya after that and now that you're in My Ilonggo Girl? And yung status as one of, napipil mo na ba yon yung being one of the Kapuso leading men?
Goosebumps po whenever they say leading man because it's always been a dream of mine. I mean, the young boy from Canada who dreamed 3 years ago now is in a position where I'm building my way to become a leading man. I'm thankful po, always grateful naman. And itong in terms of popularity po, I'm very grateful kasi mga lola, mga nanay na nanonood po ng Shining Inheritance, nakikilala ko as Yuan, doon po ako natutuwa because at least nag-enjoy sila kahit magigil man sila yung mga relatives ko po natutuwa and doon po ako masaya kasi at least yung character ko had an impact on them. They saw yung relationship namin with Tita Connie and my relationship with Kate. I'm just grateful po and I know I have a long way to go but I feel honored and thankful na somehow nare-recognize naman po.
So ready ka na ang makilala naman nila and hopefully yung team up nyo ngayon ni Jillian.
Well, with Jillian po and being her leading man in the show, I promise to my managers to this network that I give it my all. I really work hard because Jillian Ward is Jillian Ward. And again, talagang I really look up to her. I idolize her. I tell her that she inspires me in my craft. Iba yung maka-eksena ka and iba yung titigan mo. So, I want to improve para hopefully this partnership will last and it will be a good future.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Rose Garcia. Up next, you have Aubrey Carampet from 24 Oras.
Para kay Jillian. Jillian, sobrang dami mo nang ginampanan. Simula, ilan taong ka nga nag-start?
5 years old.
5 years
Actually,
old.
4. Opo.
Oo. Ano yung mga learnings mo every time may mga character ka na gagampanan? Paano mo siya pinaghahandaan? And this time, alam ko very challenging sa'yo kasi first time mong magkokontrabida dito. So, at ano yung learnings mo doon sa 15 years ng career mo? At parang kanina may sinabi ka na parang, is this your mantra for 2025?
Yes, ang mantra ko po for 2025 is kumbaga, mas ready na po ako sa mga bagong challenges. And I'm ready for change. Kumbaga, siguro po sa aking 15 years sa industry, sa aking mga characters na nagampanan ko, natutunan ko na lahat po tayo ay iba-iba. Kumbaga, lahat tayo we're unique in our own ways. So, kada may binibigay mo sa aking character, inaaral ko talaga siya. Tinitingnan ko paano siya magiging iba sa mga dati kong pinay na characters. So, kumbaga, ito pong show na to, dalawang characters ko. Si Tata, very bubbly. Hindi siya katulad ni Dr. Annalyn kasi si Dr. Annalyn, ano po siya, seryoso siya, more about trabaho talaga. Si Tata, mas carefree, mas bubbly po talaga siya. Tapos si Venice naman, suplada talaga po si Venice. At first time ko mag-play ng character na artista. Artista din. So, talagang kakaiba po siya for me. So, yun na natutunan ko na we're all different. Kada character ay may sarili silang unique aspects sa kanila. So, yun po ang inyong abangan kung ano ba ang unique kay Tata at kay Venice.
Thank you, Miss Aubrey Carampet. Thank you, Jill. Up next, we have a question from Mr. Don Sarmino.